Welcome back. You can add in a text element to your videos. And you're going to see here on the left side menu that you've got a text menu. And basically, all you'll need to do here is to choose a specific font, and then you're going to write in what you want the font to say. What you're going to do first is you're going to determine where in the video you want the font to begin. What you can also do is click on top of the font to determine if there's going to be some kind of animation and what the font will actually look like. What we're going to do is we're going to click Add to Timeline. You're going to see that our font element has been added. What you can then do is you can stretch the font element. If you want it to appear throughout the entire video, you can do it, or you can determine where in the video you want it to appear. To determine how you want the font to appear, you're going to click on top of the font, and you're going to use the elements that you have on the left side menu. So for example, the actual text that we're going to be typing in will be here, and the font that we're going to use will be here in this area. So basically, you can customize the text that you want to highlight in your video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.